I don't even know. I don't know what to get. What is true?
Are y'all doing okay in here?